In this video, I'll show you how to change images in Base44 quickly and easily. If you're working inside a Base44 project and want to replace an existing image with a new one, this simple method will help you do it in just a few steps. It's a great time saver when you want to update visuals, refresh your design, or swap out a background image without starting over. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your Base44 project and make sure you're inside the workspace where you want to make the change. Once the project is open, look at the chat area and find the plus icon on the bottom left. This is where you can add new content to guide the update. Click that plus icon and then upload the image you want Base44 to use. After the image is uploaded, type a clear prompt telling Base44 exactly what you want to change. For example, you can say, replace the background image with the given image. That instruction tells the system to use the image you uploaded as the new background. Once your prompt is ready, hit enter and let Base44 process the request. Give it a moment to apply the change inside your project. When it finishes, you should see the updated image appear in your design or page. If it didn't update exactly how you wanted, you can try refining the prompt with a little more detail, but in most cases, this simple instruction works well. And that's it. You now know how to change images in Base44 using the chat upload and prompt method. If this saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more Base44 tips and easy software tutorials.